how to use your boost ores in Dark War. So basically these materials, now these are going to be materials that are going to be used to enhance your hero equipment. Depending on your rarity for your equipment, will have more materials used. Let's say for example you have an orange quality material or equipment, you're gonna need power cores for that. But if you want to know where to use these boost ores, just go ahead to your heroes. Make sure your watchtower is at level 15 in order to be able to use the equipment features. But other than that, go ahead to your character and just use any kind of equipment and just press on enhance. You'll be able to see that you're going to need some boost ores in order to enhance or level up your equipment. But that's pretty much it. You can quick select if you like and then just go ahead and press it enhance and it will use up your boost ores. And you can get this in different kinds of events or as a type of reward. But that's pretty much the general idea on how you can use these boost ores in Dark War. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.